Hello children, welcome back to the English session. Let us continue with the topic A Great Leader. In the previous session, we saw that why Gandhiji decided to wear a dhoti and a shawl for rest of his life. Today we are going to see one of the incident in which Gandhiji wore the same clothing, that is, he did not change his clothing. So, children, once Gandhiji had gone to England to attend a very important conference. Conference means meeting. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. So children, once it happened so that Gandhiji had to go for a meeting. So there King George of England, he was the ruler of England at that time. So he gave a party, or you all can say he gave a treat to the participants, all those who were there in the meeting at his palace. So children, at that time, the king decided that all the people, those who are going to attend the meeting, they are going to wear a certain type of dress. Children, you all might be knowing this now also, even today. There are some parties where the dress code is fixed. For example, a red color theme is there. So all the people, they have to come in red color clothes only. Same in this way, at that time, the king have decided a theme, a dress code for all the people, all those who are going to attend the conference. At that time, children, England, the country was ruling over India. That is the Britishers. The people of England, they were called as Britishers. So they were ruling the people of India. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way. Even when visiting the King of England, he would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. So children, when Gandhiji, he was having a meeting with the King of England, all the people, they were very curious to know whether Gandhiji will change the way of dress he wears usually. But Gandhiji made it very clear that he is not going to change the way of the dressing, because he was of the thought that he is the representative of India. So he said that I am going to wear the same clothing what I wear in my country, which the poor people of my country wear. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. So children, the king welcomed Gandhiji in the same simple clothing, that is, loincloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Extravagantly means in a way that cost a lot of money, means king the king was wearing such a kind of dress which was very costly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. Then Gandhiji replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. So children, some of them asked Gandhiji whether he was having good clothes to wear or not when he was having a meeting with the king. So Gandhiji, in a very funny way, he said that the king himself had wore such clothes that it would be enough for both of them. That is the king only have wore such a heavy, such a costly dress that it can be both manageable for the king as well as for Gandhiji. So, children, when this news was heard by millions of poor people in India that Gandhiji, when he had a meeting with the King of England, even then he wore a simple loincloth and a shawl, all the poor people of India, they felt very happy because Gandhiji had dressed like them. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, destructive means causing great damage, he had millions of staunch followers. Staunch followers means people who were firm and loyal in following him, means the people who were believing in Gandhiji. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people, that is, all the poor people, those who were troubled in the world, the new path of Satyagraha. Satyagraha means the way, that is, a true way, the truth way. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world.